Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to scan paper documents into PDF form so that you can digitize them and use them and access them on your phone, on your laptop, etc. So what you want to do first is actually pretty easy. You want to go onto the Play Store and then you want to search for this app called Office Lens. And here it is right here, and you want to go ahead and download it. Once it's been fully downloaded and installed, we can open it and start to set it up. Allow, and so this is how the app works. You can start scanning. Next, this is optional. Close, and once that's all done, this is what the app will look like. This will be your camera at the bottom, and down here there are options to take a whiteboard, document, business card, photo. So by default it's on document, we want to keep it on that, and this is where you'd want to take your picture, so make sure you get the entire page there. And there we go. You'll be able to crop it after. It usually does this automatically, but sometimes, like there, it didn't crop it entirely accurately, so you can hold down the corners to crop it down more accurately. And confirm, that looks good. And once that's been done, you can have the option to add more pages into the document by clicking Add New. I'm just going to take the same one again. That's been cropped well. Just going to crop it a little further. There we go. And so once that's been done, you can click next. As you can see at the bottom right, there's 2 there. So that's all I want to do. I only want 2 photos, so I'm going to click Done. From here you can check the box for PDF, and you can save it into your gallery if you want, but that won't be in PDF form. You can change the title up there if you want, and click Save. Once that's been done, it will have been saved into your storage. And from there you can click the 3 little dots in the bottom right and share them on Gmail, WhatsApp, etc. That's all for the video. I hope you've learned something new, and I'll see you soon.